Welcome back, everyone. How are we all doing today? This is another video on my prop challenge. Okay, the update on my prop challenge. So last time we had a conversation, the last video I dropped, it was about the two trades I have currently open. Okay, so the first trade is this, which is okay. So these are the trades, anyways. So we started with USD JPY, and as it stands now, USD JPY seems to be dollar yen seems to be actually going really well so far, right? You can see the move. Okay, I've actually started trailing my stop, which I will explain to you why I started trailing my stop quite early. Okay, you can see it's not actually early, but you can see there's no stop, there's no TP, the trade is flying solo. All right, and you can see I joined the trade right there, which it was in the previous video, and the market started going down slowly. This is the first decent pullback before the market actually dropped during the Asian market this morning. All right, and I started trading right there. Okay, so that was the first trade. Okay, which is dollar yen, and then this is New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Also, I've started trading that one as well. All right, don't forget I'm risking 0.5% on this trade, and as you can see right there, there is no stake profit, just stop loss. Okay, because I want to trade this, I want to trade the trail, I want to trail the trade. But on the other part, which is the trading view, I have a fixating or a psychological stop loss placed there. But on the trade, I want to leave it to run its course. But that means there's no TP on the trade itself. But on MetaTrader, on TradingView, there is TP. Okay, just in case the market get there, I know what to do with this other one, so I can start partial closing, and I can now make other decision, probably to keep trading or to leave it to run. All right, so moving forward, I will explain everything to you. It might not make sense, but once I get to TradingView, I will show you everything moving forward. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. So moving forward, okay, we are right there. I joined the trade right here. I joined a sell trade there, and the market moved down, pulled up a little bit yesterday, and then it started continuing to go down right there. And that is the second trade, which is on NZD CAT. All right, that's the second trade on NZD CAT. You can see it right here at the top. Okay, so this is the last trade that I joined yesterday, which is pound CHF, and seems to be running a little bit in loss right now. It's not even a little bit in loss because the stop loss is actually right there. You can see this is the stop loss. Oh, excuse me. You can see the stop loss right here. Okay, $24 stop loss, and you can see I joined a buy trade here. I will explain why I joined this trade. All right, the market did a little bit of a dip. I don't know if this probably the market will continue to go down, take me out and stop loss. I don't know, but I'm curious. I want to see how this goes. Okay, but all of this trade right now, let's check the trade, the profitable trade. We are done with all of it. Okay, I'm going to explain how I joined this trade and why I joined this buy trade on pound CHF. I'm going to share my thought process on it and the reason why I actually joined the trade moving forward on TradingView when I jumped there in a few minutes. But before then, let's actually take a few minutes to talk about the result right now. So you can see my net profit is right there. You can see I have on NZD card right here. You can see I have $31 profit, which is around 1.2% profit. Okay, because don't forget I'm risking 0.5%, meaning the risk on the trade initially was $24. Now it's at $30. That's like times, like, you know what I mean? So it's like 1.2%. If I make it 1%, that's 1.2% profit. Let's put it that way. This one right here is $51, which is still running. It's a floating profit, right? So that's like maybe 2.01% profit. And currently on pound CHF is running on -$9 right there. You can see that's just a very small amount. I know these money are very small, but it's just a way to show you that if you use one standard lot, 500 standard lots, this still is the same result you'll be getting, but just different amount of money. That's the concept I want us to get. No, don't fixate, because I know people like to fixate on the dollar. The dollar is small, it's just $31. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. And when you pack it up with a lot of lot size now, that $31 might turn into $31 million. You know what I mean? If you've been trading for a while. So that is just the plan. So this is the result anyways. And then I don't want to start adding everything up. I don't know why it's actually not summing up anyways. I still haven't figured it out because the last time I came here, I left. The time I left here was the last time I actually opened this place. Okay, so I just used my phone to place the trade and then I just left because it's actually, I'm still finding my way around it anyways. So that's the trade. These are the trades. Now I'm going to take you to TradingView to show you the reason why I joined the trade, and let's do that real quickly. Before we even do that, okay, so I've dragged that away. So as a matter of fact, let's leave it. I might have to come back there. So before we join that, before we do that, I want to quickly share a trade on NZDCHF that just take me out in profit right now. Okay, if you watch maybe my last two videos, okay, you will notice that I said I took a short trade on NZDCHF, and I actually did took the trade on my prop account as well. But it happens that FundingPips decided to close me out at break even. Okay, because when the market was somewhere around there, then okay, my trailing stop was slightly right here, and I don't know the level of gaps that happened from here to here, and FundingPips just closed the trade out. I mean, very weird way. I genuinely don't know. I wanted to contact them, but I felt like let me just leave it. It doesn't matter. But the trade it was open on other trades on other accounts. Okay, I have like 3 other accounts I trade personally. Okay, with another, it doesn't matter. All right, with another prop firm. That's what I'm saying. So I don't just trade one prop firm. I trade like 2 other prop firm on my own personal account, but I use the same trades. Okay, on all of them, and they are still running there. Okay, so that was quite unfortunate for FundingPips because I owe them on high esteem, but it is what it is. It happens. Okay, so this trade is just closed out in profit right now. I don't want to trade it too hard. The reason why I don't want to trade it too hard is because, as you can see right here, this seems to be like the April low, and we are very, very close to the all-time low. So this level right there might get really psychological and people might start buying. I'm very sure a lot of people will start pushing in a lot of buy trade right there. Okay, so I don't want to get into crazy. I don't want to overemphasize the trade, so I decided to just partial close it. Okay, the lot size that remain on this particular trade is just 0.01 on all of my account. 0.01, and my trailing stop is right here. As you can see there, my trailing stop is right here at the top. Okay, as a matter of fact, okay, no. Yeah, that means if my notification got triggered, then I know that the trade will actually get closed. All right, so the only position left on this trade is 0.01, but you can see it's not on this trade. But if I can check my history, maybe I will show you before I actually close the whole thing. If I do check my history now, I think it should still be there on my on FundingPips. I think it should be there. Where is it? NZD. Let's take NZD. Okay, that's NZD USD. Actually, let's take a look at it. I think okay. I think I should get it closer now. Okay, this one right, exactly this particular trade. You can see it was closed NZDCHF right there. Okay, I opened the trade on the 18th of this month. Yes, on the 18th of this month, and it was closed right there. It was quite painful. This particular trade, that's what I'm saying. So, and its entry price, if you see 54.05, I entered at 54.75, right? So let's go back to TradingView. The entry point of this is also 54.05, I guess, 54.06. So you can see what I'm saying. This is it right here, 54.06. So I opened the trade, the same trade. I don't know why it was closed out, but I guess, I guess that's that anyways. It is what it is. It happens, okay? I can't fight that. I don't have the strength. I didn't even send any mail anyways. I was just like, okay, it's fine. Now, guys, now let's go back to the trade I just opened. I just feel like let me explain that to you, okay, and then we just move to the video proper. So kindly, I joined the trade yesterday because of a bullish candle, a 4-hour bullish candle that closed right here. Okay, yeah, this particular candle. Okay, this particular candle, that is the one I joined. And the truth of the matter is pound CHF, all right, pound CHF has been quite bullish for a very long time. Also, it's been really, really bullish, and I just want to continue to buy, okay, because we have a very decent momentum, okay, since the beginning of the year. Pound CHF has been bullish, okay. I'm still very sure that the bullish momentum will possibly continue, All right, you can see the momentum, right? So there's a possibility that we're going to get something like this again. Okay, that was the plan in the first place. That was the plan. But it seems like probably my stop loss is too tight. But you know, the trade is still running in loss anyway, you know, the drawdown, but it has not closed yet. So I don't want to jinx it before you actually close. But if this actually closed me out, I will still update you on the loss. Okay. But overall, I just want pure transparency so you can see that price action can really win. I mean, price action, not just price action, okay? Price action and a swing trading plan can win a prop challenge, okay? And that is exactly what I just want to share with you. So this is a trade, it's bullish, and the market actually came all the way down, okay? It broke the structure right here at the top. It broke it, came below down to retest it, and then a daily candlestick right there actually closed bullish. I could have joined there. If I had joined here too, it would have still been the same result, okay? I'm not sure you can see it clearly. Let me make it bigger a little bit. Okay, let's make it bigger. Okay, good. I think you can see it there. So this is a daily candlestick that closed bullish right there. After the retest of this, after the pullback of this particular key zone, okay, this particular bullish candle could have been an entry for me, all right. And if I had done that, the trade will still be right here today, okay, because my stop loss will still be right here. It's still the same plan, okay. That's why I wasn't even vexed or anything, because the trade is still, it's a very nice trade to pick. It's the same thing I took on any other trade, any of my trade moving forward. But it seems like that just want to be this way, and it's fine. Okay, it's part of the drill. All right. So, but moving forward, I guess we're gonna see probably if the market decides to move in my direction, we're gonna see the market actually transcend into touching maybe mid 2022 high, or maybe we're gonna get caught out and the market will range a bit and then break out, pull back, and I will take that buy again. I'll take the buy again. But right now, if this trade actually closed me out in loss, okay, if I'm fortunate enough, if I'm fortunate enough, and the trade finally closed me out in loss, maybe it did this pullback, and this level, this particular structure right there, did not get broken, didn't get taken out, and I see something like this, maybe a very sharp range. All right, I will just wait for the market to close above this resistance, like right there, and then resisted. Okay, but probably definitely, and I mean definitely retested it and used it as support. I will look for another buy. All right, but that might be next week or next 2 weeks. Okay, but the trade is still running. I don't want to use my mouth to destroy the trade before I actually play its hands. So I want to leave it the way it is. But it's in a drawdown, and you can see right there. Okay, the drawdown is actually getting bigger, anyways. Now it's in $11, but it doesn't matter. Now moving forward, I took a buy. Oh, no. That was another trade. I took a buy on gold anyways, but it's another trade entirely. So an update on my NZD cat trade. So I told you I started trailing. So right there, the trade, I started trailing, and let's take it to 4 hours to see how the trailing started and now it's going. So right here, right now, you can see the trailing stop has kicked in, okay, and I'm already keeping around, I think, 15, 25 pips thereabout. Okay, so we saw the market actually slow down a little bit throughout yesterday and Tuesday, and then there was a pullback yesterday to this high, which I put my trading stop right now. The market now dropped dramatically this morning, okay, because the time is 7 a.m. Okay, 7 a.m. right now, and it's Wednesday, July 24th. Okay, so the market dropped drastically, and probably we're gonna get another pullback, and the market will continue to come down. But I'm quite confident on this particular trade. I'm very confident on it. But overall, it's, you know, the market is gonna do what it's gonna do anyways. Okay, and whatever happens, I just want to trade it. I just want to follow my system, follow the market momentum, and then just leave the rest to the universe to work its thing out. Okay, I want to leave the rest to the universe to work its thing out. Moving forward, this is the other one, which is dollar yen. Okay, you can see it was this very sharp high that I'm also trailing. Okay, I'm only trailing this high right here. That's what I'm trailing, and this candlestick seems to be very bullish. So if I get it to continue downwardly, it's fine. If not, if it goes come back here to the top, trigger my notification, I guess I'll be getting stopped out at a very tiny profit, maybe $20. I think it's $20 thereabout, all right? But that's not going to be bad anyway. So I think if I close out on $20 here and I close out on NZD card with maybe $15, by the time pound CHF closed me out in loss, it will average each other out and I will be at break even. That was the plan on this those three trades. So I'm positive at the same time. I don't want to over jinx it, because trading doesn't matter. I mean, your emotion, your positivity doesn't matter in trading. You just have to focus on logic, okay, and see what the market is doing. I only focus on what I can see right in front of me. Whatever happens doesn't matter. Okay, but right now I'm trailing the stop, slow and steady. And pound, I think I've talked about pound CHF, so that's all I get. And I'm just gonna update you as it goes. Okay, if I add another trade to this position that I already have open, I'm gonna let you know. If I don't have any other trade to add onto it and one close me out or one take profit, I'm gonna let you know as well. But if you don't see any video about this account, that means is it that the trade is still running in profit, or is it that the trade is still running? The three of them are running concurrently. If one of them close, you will get an update. If I open a new trade, you get an update. Okay, I just want to carry you all along just to see how it's going. Okay, so this is the final show of the account, and like I said, the money is small. There's nothing to write all about, anyways. But overall, focus on what? Focus on the percentage, not the profit itself, and that's what I do, anyways. So about that, I think that's where I'll be leaving today. Okay, I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.